Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Online. First, you will set up your company profile, including your business name and contact information. Then, customize your chart of accounts to fit your specific business needs. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts. This allows for automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, personalize your sales forms, such as invoices and estimates, to reflect your brand. You can also invite your accountant to access your books, making collaboration seamless. Managing your income and expenses is crucial for business health. You can easily create and send professional invoices to your customers, ensuring timely payments. Record customer payments as they come in and efficiently manage your accounts receivable to keep track of outstanding balances. Accurately categorize all your expenses, which helps you understand exactly where your money is being spent. Remember to reconcile your bank and credit card statements monthly. This ensures your books are accurate and up to date. Understanding your business's financial performance is made simple with QuickBooks Online's robust reporting features. Generate profit and loss reports to clearly see your net income over specific periods. Review balance sheets to get a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at any given time. Analyze cash flow statements to understand how money is moving in and out of your business. You can also customize these reports to focus on key performance indicators that matter most to you. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks Online offers advanced features to streamline your operations. Utilize project costing to track the profitability of individual jobs or projects, giving you valuable insights. Efficiently manage your inventory to monitor stock levels and associated costs, helping you avoid shortages or overstocking. Set up recurring transactions for invoices or expenses that happen regularly, saving you time. Also, explore the hundreds of third-party app integrations available to extend QuickBooks Online's functionality even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.